welcome back to my vlog. It's Davina if you're new. I am also new to YouTube, so probably most every one of you are new. It is Monday and I just finished my morning routine to do a little update on the sunburn situation. We went to a sound bath yesterday in the park and it was in the direct sunlight, so I was really scared about having a sunburn because I do use retinol on my face, and it actually is not too bad. But I wanted to talk about this body butter, this sun butter that I've been using for a good 10 years now. Like, I replace it every summer, and it is the best thing that I have found for sunburns. It is the Basin sun butter. So if you like are sunburn prone like me, super pale, I swear by that religiously. I also love this this sunscreen by Hawaiian Tropic. It smells really good and it gives your skin like a luminous glow, so that one's really nice. Doing some skincare now, and on the agenda for today, don't really have too much planned, but I do need to go to the laundromat, unfortunately, because our washer broke. It broke around this time last year too, but it had like issues when it was spinning. It would start spinning really hard and then like start clanging on the sides and just stop. We have a completely full laundry basket. I need my uniform for work tomorrow. I could just hand wash it, but like, I don't know, I'm not trying to do all that. So we're just gonna go to laundromat. It's right down the street, might as well. Here is the laundry in question, and I've got like a sack of quarters. Y'all tell me why that shit was $7 in quarters. I brought like that little thing full of quarters, but it wasn't enough, so I had to go to my car, and thankfully I had enough quarters in there. But yeah, I decided to come home and dry them because that's ridiculous. Unfortunately, the squash got a little burnt, so hopefully the ketchup will save that, but yep. Hey y'all, good afternoon. It is Wednesday, and I am spending some time outside before my shift. I've got about 30 minutes, and I like to spend as much time outside as possible, especially when the weather's nice. But what I think I'm going to do here is insert some clips of what me and Spencer do for work. I think it would be fun to share a little bit about that part of our lives and what we do like during our work day. So. I'm just out here laying on the trampoline. I told Spencer that I wanted like an outdoor bed because I had been laying on that little thing over there, but it's not quite long enough to like lay down comfortably. So I just love laying outside and watching the breeze of the trees and the birds fly around and stuff. And he had been wanting a trampoline for a while anyways, but this is perfect. And it was only $45. Like the things that I was looking at on Amazon for like an outdoor bed were hundreds of dollars. So this is nice. I haven't had a trampoline since I was probably like 10 or 11, so it's a little nostalgic, but I like it. So it is Thursday, which is my off day, but I've been using these Thursdays that I'm off to run around town and hand out my business cards and flyers. As I said in my last vlog, I am a new massage therapist, and I'm just trying to get out there and build up my client base. And that's difficult for me because speaking to people has always been hard for me for some reason. Like I was one of those kids that got their parents to order for them at restaurants because I couldn't do it. Like I couldn't call to order pizza. It was bad. I've grown from that some, but it is still difficult. Like I get like a weird twitch in my face, like if I'm uncomfortable and I'm talking to someone and I'm like trying to control my face, and then my face is like has a mind of its own, and I'm just like, oh my god, this is so annoying. So yeah, I went to a total of 6 places. 3 of them were closed. 1 was permanently closed, 1 was supposed to be open and was closed, and then 1 was appointment only. So the other places I went to, the very first place, that thing with my face happened, which is just like, it's so like discouraging in a way, because I just want to be able to speak to somebody normally, you know, and not be fucking weird. But by the second place, it like that didn't happen at all. I felt more comfortable. We spoke and everything was fine. It like built my morale. And then by the time I got to the last place, it was, you know, it's okay, like it's fine. But it just takes like getting past the initial awkwardness or like feeling uncomfortable to get to a place where and do the thing, you know, like just do it, no matter if you're uncomfortable, no matter if it is think you're weird, like whatever. Like at the end of the day, what are they gonna say? No, you can't put your business card here. So that's what I just keep telling myself, and everything's fine, like it went well. But yeah, it's just like getting past that initial thing that holds you back. But yeah. Oh no. So it has been a pretty eventful morning already. It's Friday. I took Cloud on his walk, and I usually take him, like there's this strip of power lines, and I'll take him down there, but they were doing work on like the area, so I decided to take him on the street before that. Right when we were walking past, two cardinals like flew, and then I saw something drop from the tree, and then one of the dogs, his nose through the fence and like chomped down on this baby bird. So I ran over there, get the bird out of his mouth, bop him on the nose a few times, but he let it go. And I didn't really know what to do. The bird seemed okay. He had feathers and he was flapping his wings around, and yeah, he seemed like he wasn't hurt or anything. So I just put him in the grass right there, and both the parents were still around, so they weren't really coming close while I was standing there. So I kind of just backed off, and I hope they got him, but crazy morning so far. And here's my breakfast. I usually have the same thing every day, give or take the fruit options. Today we have dragon fruit and kiwi. I always have yogurt with berries and walnuts, some kimchi, and then 2 fried eggs with egg whites and spinach. But today it does have some of that kombucha squash that I made the other day. Tastes so good in eggs with some sriracha on top. And some chai tea. my first Saturday off since February, so I am really excited. I'm about to go to Historical District Yard Sale. So a bunch of different houses down there are gonna have their porches and yards set up, and there's gonna be food trucks and stuff. I am going by myself. Spencer decided to go to the gym. That's okay. I'm giving 13 going on 40. I'm trying to force myself to learn how to French braid before festival season. And it's going. Could be better, but practice makes perfect. But yeah, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go check that out and then probably come back and cleaning out the RV because we are going camping. So really excited. First time taking the RV out this year. And yeah, so here we go. Got done here at the yard sale, and people have like little booths set up for their merchandise as well, which I always have problems with, like going to like markets and stuff, because I am a recovering people pleaser. So I always feel like I have to buy something even if I don't truly want it. So I do these things to test myself to like not do that. So I only bought 2 things. One was for one, some earrings, and then this other little top that I actually wanted. So we're getting better. It is hot, I'll tell you that much. But I got this cute little top. I really hope it fits. I'm not sure if it was for a child or an adult. Pretty stretchy, so hopefully that'll fit. And then I got these cute little earrings. The top, I did cut the straps off because I didn't feel like they were necessary. I don't know, it's pretty like, feels like it'd stay up there. So yeah, not bad for $3. Maybe should have worn shoes. So here is the state of it. I washed all the blankets and stuff after Forest, but she needs to be reset before the trip for sure. I just remembered that Forest wasn't the last time that we used the camper. We went to Sarasota for our birthday trip. So the last time we used the camper was in August, not June. Alright, beds are made. Water, horses, jungle, and space. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching if you've made it this far, and I will see you next week.